Today I'm going to be reviewing PRIORPET Pet Ramp. What's nice is you can see there's a handle, it has a nice rubber top, and they do use Birchwood, which makes this a stronger piece of furniture. Now, just to let you know, I did receive this for free to review, so keep that in mind. This does have 5 different levels of adjustment: 20 inches, 18 inches, 16 inches, 13 inches, and 7 inches. As you can see, you can just put them right there into each of the slots to get the different heights. Now let's take a look at how my dogs like the ramp. As you can see, there's a little landing platform at the end, which is supposed to go even with the cushion. This is my RV. It's a little bit higher, and you can see it's pretty steep. So there's a little bit of a learning curve for my dogs to convince them that this is going to be safe. But on a normal sofa, you'll find that this is very easy for a dog to use. And once you train them a little bit, they're going to use it with no issues. Another nice feature is that there is no gap between the furniture and the ramp, so they can get up there safely. What's nice is this does do very well. It is an Amazon choice. This has 4.6 stars. I normally like to see at least 4.4, so this beat that. It also has 1,644 reviews on it, so that is also important to see that 100 of these were bought last month. They do come in different colors, so if you don't like this color, you have many options. One thing to remember is this does come with a training guide. My dogs are used to stairs, so this was a little bit different for them, but I do think this is a great ramp for your dog. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.